Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. Great morning to you all. So please, before we continue, please encourage me to keep doing this for you guys. So please, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. I give out videos every time on Boom, Crash, and sometimes other pays. It's more of like giving you guys tutorial classes. So this is a trade I've given this morning to my VIPs. And please, as I was saying earlier, subscribe. Just subscribe. So this is the pay. I've given it to my VIPs already, and SL and TP has been given. So we are just waiting to hit our TP1. Of course, we've been smashing TPs, this is the step index, and sometimes we share the analysis that we give. So join the Blue Boy team, join the VIP. We have the VIP running, we have the mentorship too. We have other services, account management, and also we have Profem challenge where we pass Profem for people. Of course, I could show you the proofs that Profem, we're passing Profems. Although it's not easy, we give it a try. If it doesn't work, we try again. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So this is a trade I was given this morning, and we are in massive profit already. Of course, we are in massive profit heading for our TP1, which is at that region there. And if you should go to the lower time frame, you'll see that we've been scalping huge. Of course, it's a downtrend, but the reason why I got into this trade is because looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that I got my trend line from this level, this area here, down here. So when I saw that the market got to this region and it has been respecting the trend line, I went in for a buy, because I expect the market to respect this place and also respect this zone, because there's a zone here whereby this horizontal line is running through. So being that it's got to this level and it's been an uptrend for some time now, although there is also a downtrend going on if you go on the higher time frame. But on the higher time frame here, 4 hours, you've seen there is a downtrend. So it's just, we are just here to scalp. Of course, we're just here to scalp. So if you look at the 1 minute, you've seen that we've got over 20 candlesticks and we are still in for profit. So now you might be asking what indicator settings I use. Well, unfortunately, I didn't use an indicator settings. I did not use an indicator settings. I use price action. Price action is key to trading any market you want to trade. It's a key. So if you want to learn the art of price action, just text me. Let me be your mentor. It's not expensive. I mean, it's just like going to school. So if you want to learn the art of price action, reach out to me. So now, what did I do? On the 4 hour time frame, you've seen that we have a very huge rejection from here. There's a very huge rejection from here. And you can see here that these are wicks, but these wicks, if you look at the lower time frame, you will see that they are actually not that long. You've seen it's actually where prices are within those wicks. So on the higher time frame, you have to find your zone. That is on the daily time frame. You find your zone. Although I have a lot of them here, I keep just following the market wherever it is. That's why I have a lot of line here. But right now, market is at this region, which I could take these ones, these other horizontal lines off if I want to, but I'm just going to let it stay. But you've seen that I found my zones, and this is a downtrend, so that's why we got in for a scalp, because we can actually catch some few candlesticks and leave the market. We don't have to stay in for a long time. So that's why if you see where I dropped our TP, is actually where market might actually reverse from, to look for entries and also where to get my TP. So I think I got this particular TP on the 15 minutes time frame, where I use this place, this area here, as my rejection zone. So I expect market, maybe if it gets here, it might start rejecting, so I have to take my profit first. But I still expect market to buy to where this trend line is, to this level, at least somewhere here, before falling back. So the art of price action will give you in-depth entry and exit of the market. So now if you see here, if you look down here, you see that market bought, but once it rejected, because when I woke up this morning, I saw that market has gone far, but I had to wait for it to get to this level a bit again before I went in for it. So I just had to wait after a rejection to get into the trade, because I knew that this was just a rejection for it to buy again. Okay, this was a rejection, kind of retesting this trend line before buying again. So if you go on the higher time frame, maybe 30 minutes, you've seen that that place doesn't actually exist, but what we can see here is a rejection on the week, which is a very good sign. Okay, which is a very good sign. So this is what we've been using to trade, and for days now we haven't had any bad trade, we haven't lost the trade, we've been in massive profit, everybody's winning and everybody's happy. So what I said earlier is, if you want to find this, go to the higher time frame, find your zone. That's why this is an art. This is not actually it's actually kind of magical sometimes, but this is an art. If you understand the art of price action, you're gonna enjoy every bit of trading. You're gonna enjoy every bit of trading. So this trade now is actually gonna hit our TP very soon, and you've seen that we are in massive profit. We are making profit from the market, and the VIPs are winning as well. The VIPs, they are winning as well. So what did I say? You have to find your zones on the higher time frame. When you find your zones on the higher time frame, you have to wait for market to get to that zone. As I said earlier, I had to wait for the market to get to this level. Of course, when I came in when I woke up in the morning, the market has already gotten to this level. So I had to wait for a rejection, at least that will bring me somewhere here before going in for a buy, so that I could set my SL around this region, so I will not be losing much. Of course, our SL is around here, and we've already made double of what we would have lost. Okay, we had a spike there, but that spike didn't even go close to our entry. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 minute. So you see the spike is just a little one, which in less than no time is going to turn into a blue. Okay, it's going to turn blue. Okay, it just happened on the last 1 minute. So this is a new 1 minute opening, and we expect price to still go way up. So if you haven't joined our free Telegram channel, check the description of this video. You are going to find the link to our free Telegram channel. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to hit me up for account management, mentorship, or any other business that you need to text me. So enjoying the art of price action is lit. You have to learn it. Of course, not always using indicators. Of course, indicators do work, but I still say you can't depend fully on it. Been a while, I don't even use indicators to trade. No, I use price action. That's why if I should show you other pairs that I trade, you will see that I have my analysis already. Okay, you've seen this. This is the VIX 100. This is the VIX 75. You've seen that I have my analysis already. Immediately market got to this level, you've seen that it's been coming here, coming and going. Once you get to this level, it starts buying back. And also you should note that on the VIX 75, you have to be observant of the 5 minutes time frame. It's actually very useful. So now the market is buying, I expect this is going to be my TP1. That's all I want to get into this trade. I want to give it to the VIPs. Of course, I've gotten into the trade, but I'm yet to give it to the VIPs. This is an account I'm managing, so the equity on this account is high, so I can actually go into more trades than some people. So I can't be just giving out trade. I don't know how much they have on their account, but this trade I have to be sure about it before giving it out. So this is going to be my TP1, and somewhere here is going to be my SL, because I don't like losing much capital when I get into a trade. So you see that price action, the art of price action, is very good. It works so well. You've seen this was actually a downtrend from this region, but for the past days it's been buying up. If you go to the weekly time frame, you're gonna see that the week has been very bullish. This is it. The week has been very bullish. So guys, price action is key. If you want to learn this, it's better you learn it so you can do this on your own. So as I said earlier, this is going to turn green. You see this was the spike that we caught that came against us, but now we've recovered that loss that we took when the spike came. So price action is legit. You have to join us so you can make money with us. So if you have learned a little thing, of course I can't throw in more light on this, but if you've learned a little or you want to learn more, please subscribe to this channel because I do drop videos. Watch my former videos. Of course I have indicator settings video too, in case you're looking for indicators to use, but I'll always advise that you learn price action instead of you waiting for indicators, because if you learn this yourself, you can actually trade at your convenience while you are home, at the vacation, at the office, or anywhere. Right now, where I am right now, making this video, you won't want to, you won't believe where I am. But I mean, you stay anywhere and make your money anyway. So please join the Blue Boy team. Subscribe, because there's a lot to learn. On my next video, I'm going to be bringing you indicator settings that you will want to use. I'm actually working on something, so if you want that, just subscribe. And for those of you that want to join the free Telegram group, of course, join. Sometimes I do give free signals on a good day, but you can't force it out of me. I have to be sure of the free signals I give out before I give it out, because I don't want you losing. Probably because you don't have money to join the VIP. So why would I come and blow the small account in half? So that's why I don't really give out much signals, okay? So on the free group, I actually really work with my VIPs because they are the ones that have paid for services. Okay, so from time to time I share my chats with you guys. You can learn. So we're still waiting for this market to get to these levels so that I and the VIPs can end the trade and go for another one. So you've seen what I said. 4 hours is a huge rejection, and this is a big sign for a buy. Have you seen the rejection here? It's a huge sign for a buy. This is a rejection. If you can see this particular candlestick here, this particular one here, after this was the 4-hour candlestick too. This rejection was so huge that it started buying. So this rejection now is actually showing us, hey, this candlestick is going to close in, let's say, 40 minutes time. That the 4 hours is going to close in 4 minutes time, and the next candlestick, I can promise you, is going to be a bullish candlestick. So it's going to be buying up, which is very safe to go in for a trade. If you're learning price action, you have to also learn you have to learn you have to study your candlesticks, because this candlestick gives us sign of getting into a market and also exiting. Okay, where you see a rejection can be telling you, hey, this is going to be where you're going to place your stop loss, this is going to be where you're going to place your TP or any of that. So these are things you learn when you join the